Hey guys, so today I'm trying something new and different and I'm really excited to show it to you guys. I have an 80 by 80 canvas here and I have a lot of blues and white paint here. Prussian blue, Stalo blue, powder blue, ultramarine, which is a new one that I really love. Powder blue is also a new one, very beautiful. And the Prussian blue and the Stalo blue, most of you probably know, but they're gorgeous. So I'm gonna make an attempt at making a big wave that goes over like this. So first things first, I'm gonna lay down my white paint. So I'm just checking my consistency always, because when I mix them, they're usually a bit thinner. And when they stand for a while, they get thicker. So I just add a little bit of paint till I get the very nice thin consistency that I like to work with. Yeah, there we go, much better. It can even take a little bit more. And so this is my Amsterdam white. All the other colors are Winsor and Newton, but I did mix in a little bit of Amsterdam pearl blue and the Prussian blue just to lighten it up a bit and give it a bit of shine, because it dries very dark, almost black. All right, let's spread out our white paint. So I'm gonna go something like this, I think. And I'll just use my trusty old hair dryer here to blow it out. Gotta turn it on though. So this has happened in my last two videos and it never happens that I forget to turn on the switch for the hair dryer. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that now. I'm just gonna take out these blobs that I got in there. Just dab them out like that. And there's a little blob of something there too. And I will just torch out the air bubbles. Actually, I have a lot of blobs in here. There's even a little here. And here's a blob, and here's a blob. I don't know if there's a better word for this. It's like old dried paint. Maybe it was in my container from my last pour. Who knows? Just gonna cover this a little bit, but once I blow out my paints, I'm sure this will be covered anyway, but this just helps the paint to move around better. Alright, so let's lay out our blues. So I'm gonna start with my Prussian blue, which has a bit of Amsterdam pearl blue mixed in there. Gonna lay it down like that. And then I think we should go with the powder blue from Winsor Newton, one of my new favorite colors. And my phthalo blue from Winsor Newton. And then I have my ultramarine here, which is a new brand actually, Artello. I never tried these before, but they look amazing. So I've started using these in some of my last paintings. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a bit more powder blue. bit more phthalo blue. Just want to make sure I have enough paint on here. So I'm probably just adding a bit more of all of my colors, it looks like. That was the last of that ultramarine. And so I'm gonna run, oh, I have my white over here. A little bit of white through here. Very little here. I'm gonna put some white down here. Some white down here. And maybe even around here a little bit. Alright, so now it's just the blowing, which is probably the most tricky part here. Wow, I'm already getting some beautiful cells here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, this is gonna be stunning. Let's just blow it. I'm sure it will be alright. Wow, you guys! Oh my god! Holy moly, this is gorgeous! I don't know if you guys can tell how gorgeous this is on camera. Wow! I absolutely love this one! Oh my god! Wow, okay, I'm just gonna fix a few little things here. Need some more paint in here. And then I have more blobs to... Oh, and here I need more white as well. Just gonna blow it out. Wow, guys, I am like absolutely blown away. Wow, the cells down here. Okay, I'm gonna torch it. Jesus! Wow! Okay, let me fix my edges. So you see you can pick up some of that spilled paint and just sort of drag this down so this design continues down. If you just add it and don't drag, it won't really fit in with your design. But when you do this, it unifies the whole thing and I am so excited. Okay. So I think, oh, here we need a little bit of white. So I'm gonna steal some from over here. And just add it here. Drag, drag, drag. Just like that. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna finish the edges after. I'm just doing the worst of it now, so it looks good on camera as well for you guys. And I'm gonna fiddle here because I don't like this corner. That's the only part I'm gonna touch. The rest I'm absolutely like, wow. Okay, I'm gonna go on the other side and finish my blowing because it's too difficult for me to get around from here. Just fixing up some of those edges because I want to blow that a little bit back, and then I think I am happy with my beautiful wave. Yeah, that's it, guys. Should I blow this edge? Oh god. Okay. Oh, now I want to bring this all the way over. Okay, so if you guys are doing acrylic pouring, you know that it's really hard to know when to stop. So that's my issue now. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm done. Done fiddling. I'll take you guys down for a close up. If I can. There we go. Okay. Okay, guys. Just look at all of this. I don't even know where to have you guys focus. I think it's so beautiful all over. Look at those cells. Focus, camera. And these corners. Just wow. That actually looks white on camera, but that's my powder blue. And look at these cells in here. Over here the ultramarine has made this beautiful web. And this corner I love as well. God, you guys. I'm so happy with this, and I actually like how it fades out here on the top because that's where it's sort of cracking. Now that I'm looking at it from here, I feel like this should go more out here. I'm not sure I want to fiddle anymore with it though. If you guys can talk, let me know. Should I leave it? This corner? Is it good? Okay, you'll just have to wait and see if I fiddle more with it on my Instagram or my Facebook, which are all linked down below, and my webpage as well. Yes, I made a new webpage and it's so exciting. Wait, I'm gonna talk to you guys. There we go, I'm here. So yeah, I made a new webpage. If you didn't see it from my last video, please check the link down below to my webpage and all my social media. I'm really grateful you guys are watching, and I'm so excited to see this one dry, so you're gonna have to check my other social media to see the dried piece, but so far it's gonna look amazing, I'm pretty sure. So let me guys know what you think about this one. Leave a comment down below. Remember to give me a like if you liked the painting video, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you didn't already do so, so you'll get notified when I do more paintings. And I think that's it for now. And if you guys have anything you want to see or want me to try out, just leave a comment down below, any ideas. You can always order commission piece in your favorite sizes and colors, whatever you need for your own private space. And yeah, just keep the good ideas coming, and I'm sending you guys a lot of love. Thank you for watching. Happy painting!